got from CES deals. It's a full. Is this round, square? What? It's rounds. Okay. I wanted this one because it was a full. It's a tight one. It's welcome home. I'm gonna put this in the kitchen. Whenever I finish it, I'm putting it in my kitchen. That's what I thought about when I saw this. Put it in the kitchen because that's the main door. I use the kitchen. So a little iffy on this home part. It does not look like it's spelling home. If you're looking at it like I'm looking at it, it's not looking like it's spelling it. This one even come with a 3 placer, but whatever. I wish it came with some 3-4 places or something because that J, man, number what? I'm looking for that one. That came with it. It's a lot of J, and yeah, all that black. There's so much black in this one. That's gonna take forever because I'm just placing one by one. That's what I mean. But I like how all the ones that I bought from this place actually look really nice and presentable. I got all small ones to try this, just to try and order out on here. I didn't want to buy like a lot of stuff and then don't like anything, and I would have been mad. But after I do these, I actually have way more stuff to finish because I'm waiting on my self-portrait. I can't wait to get that. That's all I'm gonna say. It's a self-portrait. I'm not gonna open this at all because as long as they have all the colors, it's 15 in this one. That's good. It's a nice amount. And it came with the regular schmegler. And that's all I came with that. But I liked the welcome home. And if you know me, I like these blackboard ones right now. So the blackboard chalkboard pictures is my favorite. Talk about our experience. Hello everybody, this is day 2 and I'm finished already, which is crazy because I finally have learned how to use the multiplacer. Those things were dirty. Look at that, how dirty this is. I thought, oh my goodness, this was a hard one finish. Very hard finish for me to do this one because I thought, because I did this part by hand yesterday, one by one. So I couldn't get the hang of the multiplacer last night. I think I was just tired, so I started again tonight because my TV wasn't working on the WWE network and I missed Clash of Champions. So I decided to use the multiplacer again and try to finish this picture and then we got to finish. So that was good. My night wasn't a bust completely. You know, there it goes. It looked like with the light off. Goodness, what am I saying? I thought I was gonna have enough gems at first. And it sparkles a lot. And I bought a pack of multiplacers on Amazon, yeah. Because I just got all these normal pens, I use the normal whatever come with it. So I just tried it.
There's a girl in Limbo who has a story that sounds a lot like what you're looking
And I just wanted to try it out and see how it goes. And I'm happy with the result. This was the one I got from CES deals, 3 for $9.99. So I completed 2 of them because I got 2 of one, which sucks. And I finished the keychains. So to me, I feel like I completed everything I bought from there. other picture coming, so I'm not gonna be able to finish any more pictures until I have pictures done first. And this is a round. I have not made a round in a full before, and my TV is so loud. Okay, welcome back. This is the third episode of What Do We Do When We're Not diamond painting? What do we do when we're not diamond painting? 3D pen. I have a 3D pen. This was sent to me a long time ago. Back when I was doing the Amazon reviews free. I got like 3 of these for free on Amazon. No doubt. No, I paid for my first one. And it conked out after, well, I'll show you in a minute how it conked out. But, it's a mess. I don't know how. I haven't organized it good. This is my 3D pen. I left some stuff from last time because I really didn't care. To try to clean it out, apparently. This one is the most comfortable one I have used so far. I'm right-handed, so it might look weird. This one's the most comfortable I ever worked with, I'm not gonna lie. And it didn't burn me. So I like this one because for those reasons. I should have put this cord up better. Let's go to this. I'm gonna put the cord up there after I finished last time. All my filament. And I got left still. Ooh. Oh, I still got some strands of glow in the dark. This is all back. Oh, I still got a whole pack of glow in the dark. I didn't know I had a whole pack of glow in the dark filament still. I think I paid like 50 cents for these. Wow, it's a lot of them. It's a lot. Oh, these are my other glow in the dark pack that I have. I separated them. This is the pack that came with the pen. I never opened it. It came with the pen that I bought. That's actually what they sent it to me. It came with that pack. I never used it. This was in there too with the pen. They always send you a package when you buy a pen. This was in there too. ABS. I think I like the GLA better than the ABS when doing these projects. I want to show you. Let me get to the good part. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. So, let me get to the good part. Hold up. That's one of my other tape, man. I use this tape for Dollar Tree. To help grip it or whatever I'm working on. I was looking for this one and opened up a new one last time. I use this to put around the bowl if I'm doing a bowl or whatever shape I'm doing. I put this all around the whole thing. The Dollar Tree tape, people. Listen to me. Dollar Tree tape. You ain't got a cheap tape. You wrap this around and you start doing your picture and doing your outline. I do outline first. And I use this to hold the outline too. And with doing both of these together, I'm going to show you what it looks like at the end in a minute. But all this stuff from my 3D pen, I do a ton of different crafting and stuff. I'm not one trick pony, but you only saw my little long trick called diamond painting. So this is my first bowl I ever created with a 3D pen. I'm about to dump all this stuff out. And so I look at the bottom. I designed this with the 3D pen. It's so beautiful. And then the inside is really thick. This is not going anywhere. And then I did the bottom. Pretty thick bottom. I was making weird colors. The detail. Look at the detail. I like this one. I keep tape. Some of the tapes. The 4K camera thingamajig. But I have a GoPros now, so I don't use this anymore. Button battery. What else in here? The charger. Another battery. Phone case to my old phone. This is the phone case. I love these type of cases. So that was in there. That was the first bowl I created. Okay, second bowl. Just dump all the stuff out the bowl first. And look at this detail inside. Look at the inside. Now you can see what I'm saying. When you heard me talking about the tape actually melted onto this, to the bowl. That's why I said use the Dollar Tree tape, because it actually melts into whatever you created, which is weird, but it did that. And it's really sturdy, and I love this one. And this is why I like this design when I did it, because I was a little bit more to put together idea. It don't have to be super neat, but I was just really into it. And this is the bottom. As you see on the bottom, I put my initials and the year I finished it, 2016. And I just designed the whole bottom with like the color, whatever is left over from these 3 colors right here. Whatever color, like the leftover color I use for the bottom to make the bottom more thicker and sturdier. And you can see all my outlining on this one. So that's what I do when I'm not doing diamond paintings. I play with my 3D pen. And let me get back to the story. How I broke my 3D pen the first time was I was creating these bowls and weird stuff, and I did some phone cases and stuff too. And the thing that messed up was, if you could think about it, you would get it. I was sitting through these things for hours straight, and that would burn out the pen. That's how you burn out the pen. I worked on a picture one time for 4 hours. I worked on something for 4 hours, and that's why I went out. But this is really pretty. This is my favorite one, and I put it on my shelf. And what was in there? What I got in there was the 3D stickers I was using. The diamond painting stickers. I put those on the corner. What's the phone things called? I haven't used this one yet. Still got the sticker on it. I used that one. LG charger. Another camera I don't use. Did I put a memory card? Is there a memory card in this one? Yes. There's a memory card in this one. I don't remember doing that. I really don't know. It's a memory card. This is my favorite camera. I don't use anymore. Adapter. Carabiner clip. More SD adapters. SIM tool ejectors. For my phone. Carabiner. Memory cards. Another adapter. Okay. A charger to my Bluetooth earpiece. I don't know where it's at. Another phone case, thank you. Ooh, my weave needle and thread. Don't ask me. Another phone case. Gosh, that thing ain't moving. Can you move? Yep, so those are my bowls that I created. And this is how it sits as of right now. You know, you have to have fun, you know. Yeah, I need to put this one up somewhere else because I want more room for my diamond painting thing. So I need to move that somewhere else. My carpet is dirty because I drop everything on the floor when I'm doing my diamond paintings. And stuff like that. Things that go through people. Things that go through the bed. I got my flat irons. I actually sit on the floor in front of my TV and flat iron my hair. Weird but true. So yeah, that's this is the third episode of What Do You Do When You're Not Diamond Painting?